How you doing?
May I offer you a tranquility scented hand towel?
Sure.
Wonderful. We're so glad to have you here today. You just want to take a seat in our lounge area.
All right.
Once you're done with the towel, you're more than welcome to toss it in the silver.
All right, thanks.
Hi, Hogan. May I offer you a tranquility scented towel? Sure. Wonderful. They're nice, they're full. They're nice and full. There you go. We'll get you some.
Nice. My name is Rose. They call me Rose for short.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, my mom. Yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Is that who you are?